differential equations, video 1. Question number 1. If a curve y is equal to f of x passes through the point 1 comma minus 1 and satisfies the differential equation y of 1 plus xy dx is equal to x into dy, then f of minus 1 by 2 is equals to, given differential equation is y into 1 plus xy into dx is equal to x dy. That can be written as 1 plus xy into dx is equal to x into dy by dx, y by x into dy by dx. This is y by x into 1 plus xy is equal to dy by dx. So therefore dy by dx is equal to y by x plus y square. Now dy by dx minus y by x is equal to y square. Now this is the linear differential equation in x. So integrating factor is e to the power integral minus 1 by x dx. That is e to the power of minus log x. That means 1 by x. Then the solution is y into 1 by x is equal to integral of 1 by x into y squared dy. Sorry, 1 minute. This is differential equation in y and in x, that is y to the power of minus 2 into dy by dx minus y power minus 1 into x into 1. Put y power minus 1 is equal to z. So that implies minus y power minus 2 into dy by dx is equal to dz by dx. Now replacing y power minus 2 into dy as minus dx by dz by dx minus 1 by x into z is equal to 1. Now dz by dx minus 1 by x into z is equal to minus 1. Now integrating factor is e to the power of integral minus 1 by x dx dz dx. So that is equal to e to the power of minus y minus log x, that is 1 by x. Now the solution is z by x is equal to integral of minus 1 into 1 by x dx, that is equal to minus log x. Now z means 1 by y. 1 by xy is equal to minus log x plus log c and com. Now this is 1 by xy is equal to log of c by x. When passes through a point 1 comma 1 and so that is 1 comma minus 1. Minus 1 is equal to log of c, log c. That means c is equal to 1 by e of if 1 passes through comma minus 1, 1 by minus 1 is minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus c. Therefore c is equal to minus 1 plus 1 by 2 is minus 1 by 2. Therefore 1 implies x by y is equal to minus x square by 2 minus 1 by 2. Now x by y is equal to minus x square plus 1 by 2. So that implies y is equal to minus 2x by x square plus 1. Now f of 1 by 2. This is f of x is equal to minus 2x by x square plus 1. F of minus 1 by 2. That means x is equal to minus 1 by 2. This is 1 by 1 plus 4 by 4, 4. 4 by 5 is the answer. Second question. The solution of the differential equation 1 plus y square plus x minus e to the power tan inverse y into dy by dx is equal to 0 is 1 plus y square is equal to minus x minus e to the power of tan inverse y into dy by dx. Now that can be written as dx by dy is equal to minus x by 1 plus y square minus plus e to the power of tan inverse y by 1 plus y square. So dx by dy plus 1 by 1 plus y square into x is equal to e to the power of tan inverse y by 1 plus y square. Now this is a linear differential equation in y. So here we want to find the integrating factor is e to the power of integral 1 by 1 plus y square into dy. Now that is e to the power of tan inverse y. Now the solution is x into e to the power of tan inverse y is equal to integral e to the power of tan inverse y into e to the power of tan inverse y by 1 plus y square into dy. Now that is x into e to the power of tan inverse y is equal to 1 minute. Put tan inverse y is equal to e to the power of tan inverse y is equal to p. Now x in applying derivative on both sides, e to the power of tan inverse y by 1 plus y square is equal to into dy is equal to dt. Now x into e to the power of tan inverse y is equal to integral of t into dt. Now this is t square by 2 plus c. Now x into e to the power of tan inverse y is equal to t means e to the power of tan inverse y whole square by 2. That means this is a required differential equation. Solution of the differential equation. Question number 3. The solution of the differential equation y dash is equal to 1 by e to the power of minus y minus x d minus x is, now here it is dy by dx is equal to e to the power of minus y minus x. Now dx by dy plus x is equal to e to the power of minus y. Now here it is also a differential equation in y. So integrating factor is e to the power of integral 1 dy, that is e to the power of y. Solution is x into e to the power of y is equal to integral e to the power of y into e to the power of minus y dy. Now this is integral e to the power of 0 means 1 dy. So this is y plus c, that is x into e to the power of y is y plus c is the solution.